Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for those that are new here, kindly consider subscribing. And I think I should give you people some time to subscribe. Subscribe guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. I'm waiting. Subscribe. I'm waiting patiently. Please subscribe. I'm waiting patiently. Anyway, hope you're done. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you a DIY face mask that is going to get your skin glowing. Did you hear me right? I said that I'm going to be showing you a DIY face mask that is going to get your skin glowing. Yeah. Who on this planet Earth doesn't want to get his or her skin glowing? Nobody. Yeah. But maybe there's somebody. I don't know them though. Anyway, let me stop goofing around so much. And without further ado, let's get right into our today's video. Woo! I'm so excited. Guys, I'm getting fat, man. What? That second chin, that's making me look so cute. I like it. I like it like that. You're going to require, you will need actually several things for the DIY. And the first thing is honey. Yeah, honey. Another thing that you're going to require for the face mask, turmeric. Yeah, turmeric powder. There we go. Flour. Yeah, flour. And the most recommendable flour is the rice flour, but apparently I don't have the rice flour, so I'm going to be using the men's flour to substitute the rice flour. And another thing that you're going to require for the face mask is milk. Some milk, guys. Why? Kibao vodka. Hey, chimo. You'll need that. And a container where you're going to mix your concoctions, And another thing, a spoon, a spatula, anything that you can use to mix, maybe even like wood if you don't want to use your utensils to mix the concoctions. Yes, and let's get into the mixing of these products. So now I'm going to be applying this concoction, this mixture on my face, and you're going to see how it's going to look like. Yep. So we have our final product over here. The mixture that I did was very light, so I've added some flour on top of this just to ensure that the mixture is thick enough. And I'm going to be applying this on my face. Okay, so the thing is, you're going to let the mixture sit on your face like for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off your face. So let's meet after that. Eventually I'm back, and this is what my face looks like. Can you see the difference? Yeah, that's how it look like. Do you like the end results? If you do, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. And subscribe and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified each and every time I post. See you next time. Bye.